Hello. This session, we're going to talk about how to add a text inside the canvas or actually have a text inside the paint or canvas. So what should we do? I entered the previous project and I opened the custom painter and I have deleted the content here, yes, as you see, and only paint and canvas are left. And I'm going to add one paragraph to the canvas. In order to do this, we should write canvas.draw paragraph. Now we should define a paragraph for that and also an offset. What is offset? Actually, offset limits the text that you are putting here. It means that it limits the size of it and height and width of it. So I set the offset here. For example, I write it or I set it to start from 100. Now we have to define paragraph for that. For this, we have to create a paragraph builder. And then we are going to build it using the paragraph. So we write here final paragraph builder. Paragraph builder. You can set whatever name you like here, and I use paragraph builder here. And after that, we should write that equal, we write UI. Remember that we want to use UI library. Let me delete this one. So I write import UI as a UI. So we import the library of UI as UI here. And then we write UI dot paragraph builder and write UI dot paragraph style, and we should define a style for the paragraph that we are having. And here we can say that, for example, the style is LTR. So the text direction is LTR inside the paragraph style. For example, and you can set the text alignment as center. So it depends on your choices. So I choose the text direction as LTR. This paragraph builder should have a style. So we write paragraph builder dot push style, and we define a style for that. We write UI dot text style. And we should add a color to the text. From the colors, we're going to choose our favorite color. For example, I choose green. We can also set the size of the font. For example, the font size is 20. And then we're going to build the paragraph builder inside the paragraph. So let me fix the color first because it shows an error for me. we are going to create another variable from the final type. So we create a paragraph here. And here we ask it paragraph builder, the one that we have at the top, paragraph builder, dot build. It is going to build the paragraph for us. And we define it as paragraph. So if I press Ctrl S now, it should show us the text. Actually, I forgot to add the text. I have to add the text inside the paragraph builder. After defining the style of the paragraph, we write paragraph builder dot add text. And we write, for example, hello world as a sample text. And then we close it. And for this paragraph, we can also add anything we like. Let's see what is here. So we write paragraph dot. It has box for range. It has boundary and many other parameters. For example, I want to add a layout to the paragraph. So let me add it. And I want, for example, from the constraints type. Let me show it to you. If I open the parentheses here, yes, it asked me to choose a variable named paragraph constraints here. So we write paragraph.constraints. And we should define a width for that. And we say width, for example, 200. And then we close it. So that's it. I press Ctrl and S on my keyboard to see what happens. Yeah, as you see, hello world is shown here. And now a text is added to our canvas. Yeah, just as we talked about previous sessions, for example, we can add a rectangle, a circle, and for example, arc or whatever we want around this text. So we can make it better and beautify it. So that's about the paragraph. And also, let's just talk about the parameters we can have for the paragraph. For example, here I can change the width of the paragraph. So I change it to 50 and I press Ctrl S. As you see, the width has changed to 50. But by this way, you can easily understand the paragraph constraints here. So it is actually the box that the paragraph is going to be written inside it. For example, I set it on 200, so it is okay for my application. And the text style is okay. And we talked about the paragraph style and font. And you can change the direction or change the alignment, and we have many parameters that you can change here. I hope you've enjoyed this session. Goodbye until next session.